vlog. Welcome to my guys. I'm your photographer, videographer. So we're going to the immigration.
Kung anong tawag sa akin?
I don't know.
Bodyguard na nagdalaran kami.
Baggage counter.
So we're going to the immigration. And for the ligaw-ligaw person. Here we go. Ooh.
请您靠近车门，并请沿途紧握扶手。Please hold the hand.
Tanong din sa akin yung lalaki eh. Kung saan yung ikit. Sabi ko nga, dito kaso. Dito immigration ka lang.
請所有乘客落車。多謝，請所有乘客落車。Please exit from the train. 請所有乘客下車。
Okay. Ang sikreto lang dito guys, go with the flow. Sunod-sunod lang sa crowd. So tapos na kami namaan sa immigration. Very smooth lang. Mabilis lang. So after immigration is kunin na namin ang aming baggage. Nasa carousel number 6. So pupunta tayo sa number 6. Nauna na ang aking husband. Ayun na. Okay. Pagod.
Gusto na nakasulat dito kung kunwari yung flight.
Meron?
Okay.
Meron?
Tama?
5J1110.